Hello friends, welcome to the AWS Security Quick Study. This video is going to be talking about the AWS Shared Responsibility Model. Now what is the Shared Responsibility Model? That is to say that the different levels of an IT system require security in different ways. It doesn't make sense if you just have multi-factor authentication for your users, if your database operating system is completely out of date. It's kind of pointless if you have guard dogs and security guards patrolling your server racks if you are not encrypting your database or you're not encrypting your data in transmission. AWS's value proposition when it comes to security is that they take care of several fundamental levels of security, allowing you to focus your energies on securing those layers of your application that you have control over. Now, let's take a look more specifically. At the most fundamental level, you have the physical layer. This includes the server racks, power generators, wires, and AWS, of course, is responsible for protecting that. Next, you have the network. So maybe the lines that connect data centers, availability zones, regions, routers. And it's not just the physical wires and lines, but it's also the protocols over which data is transmitted. AWS uses proprietary networking protocols that they don't tell anyone the details of for obvious reasons. However, they are third-party verified. Moving up the ladder, we have the hypervisors, or the middle management systems between the actual physical servers and the virtualized machines that users use. So it's a Xen-based hypervisor, but AWS has made significant changes and hardening to these hypervisors. Now this is where it gets interesting, because this is the operating system of your virtual machines. This is where you as an AWS user start to have some responsibility. Now keep in mind, this is not for managed services, but for services that are not managed, such as EC2, EMR, you're responsible for updating the OS patches, because really at this level, AWS knows nothing about your operating system, about what applications or what software you have on there. Then of course, above that, there's the application and the user data. This is your responsibility. AWS, of course, will provide ample services and options and guidance for how to best secure this data, but the responsibility lies with you. In order to get the Cloud Practitioner certification, you need to have a very good understanding of this shared responsibility model, because certainly you'll be asked questions on it for the exam. And with that, see you next video.